Okay, so today I found out that the software I'm sometimes using for video editing has actually a new AI function, which means I can remove objects to make a simple test. I never tested it before. I have these two controllers, which should be easy for motion tracking and then removal of the object for an AI. So we are here in the software now, and what I'm going to do, I'm gonna select or mark the black controller, as you can see, and then we're gonna ask the video editing software to remove that object. And what you see now, it takes a while for the software to calculate that and remove the software. And once that's done, let's just see the end result. What we are having here, you see it's counting down like in percentage. And now here we see more or less the end result. So to be honest, I never used it before. So to be fair, with a little bit more tweaking, I am pretty sure that we could actually remove the object pretty good. So to be fair and square, it's kind of okay. And at the end of the video, you're gonna see the object removal, how it came out. Now, to be fair, as I said, I didn't play around with it, and I am pretty sure if I would have marked the object a little bit better, I'm pretty sure it would have removed all it needed to remove. Now, this was not a super complex task, to be honest, but I've chosen like a tile floor to make it a little bit more complex for the AI to remove it. And as I said, I'm pretty sure if I play around with it and with a little bit of tweaking, it could remove an object. So what it does, it actually, you mark the object and then it's following the movement of that object, and then it replaces it. And I guess it takes the surroundings where the object was and puts that into place where we had that object. So I tweak it a little bit, but that's how you can remove an object with an AI nowadays.